Guys, thank you so much for stopping by the channel and welcome to Pama Gist. Today we are not doing conference. I'm actually sharing with you something I saw. So if you're interested in videos like this, you know what to do. Kindly subscribe to the channel and let's go. So today I saw a video that really blew my mind, right? How Crocs or this rubber thing, this rubber slippers is made. It's so simple and easy. It comes out like popcorn. So what they do is they pour this chemical. You let's watch the video. Guys, so I don't know what he's spraying, but it looks like oil. And then they put a chemical in that thing, that shape thing. But then here is he pouring the chemical out. And I think they weigh it so that they get the same size. Other than that, they are going to get different sizes for different, like different weights for different crocs, right? So it's probably oil or something to prevent it from sticking to the metal. And then he pours it into that footprint thing, then he just press it to, like just bring the machine down, and I think heat is applied, and it comes out like popcorn poof. You guys see, like it's that simple. Oh. Then he puts this, I think shoe mold or something inside to maintain the shape. I think it's still hot, probably. So once it cools down, then they go ahead and print this thing on it, and poof, it's done. Like it's done. Oh, basically, that they just bag it and come and sell it to us. Like come and sell it to us. You see how simple it looks and how easy. Someone was saying that if it's this simple, why is it so expensive? But then we've also not considered the price of the machine, the price of the chemicals they use, labor and all that. So yeah, like it's so easy and simple. Oh. And I don't think we do some in Ghana here. Oh. Like we don't do it in Ghana. We import them from China and those other countries. Like can't we do some as a country? Can't we do some as a country? And I think the color you put in gives you the color of the Crocs you get, right? I think so. And we have it in different colors. So I think this one they used black of that thing. The thing looks like that fabric softener. I don't know if you people have seen the fabric softener, the solid one they put in the machine before you put your things inside. It looks like that one, but that one evaporates, so it can't be that one. This one looks more plastic and also. Yeah, that is it. Let me know your comments. Let me know what you think about this particular video. Let's watch another video where a different color was used to achieve a different color of the crops. Yeah, so let me know what you think about this particular video. Let me know your thoughts on this. Did you think it was so difficult to do, or do you think like, oh, you think it's worth the price? And some are saying that this is not the original one. I feel it's just the branding. It's just branding, right? Or probably they use high end materials or something to do it, but I'm sure it's the same process or something. It's probably the same procedure, the same process. And so if it's that easy, why is it so expensive? And how much did, if you have one, how much did you buy it? Let me know. Even if you're not in Ghana, how much did you buy it in your currency? We'll convert it in the comment section for you. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. My name is Pama. This has been Pama Gist, and on this channel we do health, we do tutorials, and then we do just concern or whatever I feel I come and share with you, whatever I see I come and share with you. So yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.